Hello again everybody, this is Mark and we are back for more lessons. Okay, so we are still in the book Speak Out Elementary. Okay, now before we proceed, I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready? You can pause the video after I ask the questions so that you'll have time to answer. Okay, so question 1. What do you usually bring when you travel? Okay, what do you usually bring when you travel? And question 2 is, where do you want to go on your next holiday? Okay, so after answering those questions, we will now continue with chapter 1.3. And the title of that chapter is, Can I have a coffee? Can I have a coffee? Like that. Okay, so if you have your books there, you can actually open it up and you can follow us with the review. Alright? So in this chapter, we will just review the vocabulary. Okay, so the vocabulary is here. There are like 4 categories. I'm going to stand here. First is souvenir shop, and sandwich bar, money exchange, and train station. Now, we have some words that you need to connect with these main categories. Okay. So the first word for, let's stand here, souvenir shop. Okay, souvenir shop, we can have the postcard. Okay, by the way, souvenir shop is a shop where you can buy souvenirs or gifts for your loved ones, for your friends. Okay, so it's like something from that place. Okay, so one is postcard. So a postcard is, yes, usually it's a card where there's a picture of a place or a person, and then you can write something at the back and send it to your friends. Okay, so postcard, and of course souvenir. I told you it's a gift, right? So it's a gift. Yes, let's think of other words that are in the souvenir shop, like for example, keychain. Okay, keychain. A keychain is like a thing that you put on your keys so that, you know, your keys has like a keychain. Okay, so something that you could put on your keys. Okay, and another one is let's say a fridge magnet. Okay, so a fridge magnet. Fridge is refrigerator, right? You put your food inside to get cold. Magnet is you stick it on metal. So a fridge magnet is like a souvenir where you put it on your fridge. Okay, it's about the place. All right. Now let's go to sandwich bar. Okay, sandwich bar is, of course, it's like a restaurant or it's a shop that sells sandwiches. Okay. So first is cola. Of course, it's a drink, right? So cola. Next is coffee, and it's a sandwich. Okay, so of course it's a sandwich bar, so we need a sandwich. Maybe another word for sandwich bar. What can you still find in the sandwich bar? Let's say shakes. Shakes are drinks. For example, pineapple shake. So pineapple with ice, and then they crush it, and then they blend it. So that's a shake. Okay, pineapple shake, coconut shake. What else? Like apple shake, maybe carrot shake or something. Okay, so yes, that's in a sandwich bar. Next, let's say train station. Okay, train station is of course, it's like the station for the train where the train stops. Okay, so words that are connected to train stations are battery. Of course, the battery of the train, it provides the power, right? So battery. Next is single ticket. Okay, so your ticket just one way, only going there. Okay, And then going back is called return ticket. Okay, so single ticket, return ticket. Okay, and last one is platform. So the platform is the area where you wait for the train to arrive. Okay, so platform 1. So we are here in the platform 1. The train will pass here. Okay, so that's the train station. And the last one is money exchange. Okay, so it is a place where you can exchange your money. Okay, so if you don't have Vietnamese dong, or if you don't have US dollars, you can go to that place and exchange your Vietnamese dong for US dollars. Okay, so let's try to think of the words, or you can check the words that is connected with money exchange. Number 1 is euros. Okay, euros, the sign is this. Alright, so it is currency that is used in usually northern part of Europe. Okay, next is of course money. Money, everybody knows money, right? And next is exchange rate. So exchange rate is the value of your money. Like for example, 1 US dollars is equals to about how much? How much Vietnamese dong? I don't know the exchange rate. But let's say for Philippines, okay, for Philippine peso, that is our money, Philippine peso. So 1 US dollar is equals to 60 Philippine peso, like that. Okay, so you can actually say 1 US dollars is the ratio. This is called the ratio to 60. So 1 US dollar to 60 pesos, like that. Okay, so yes, you can check out your exchange rate. Okay, and others are, let's say, counter. Okay, so the counter is the cashier, or the person where you talk to that person and they will exchange your money. So that's called counter. So usually there are many counters. In the bank also there are many counters, like counter 1, counter 2, counter 3. Okay, there are counters or cashier. Okay, so now let's try to review the pronunciation of each word. Okay, you can pronounce with me or after I say the word. Okay, so let's start. Okay, souvenir shop, postcard, souvenir, keychain, fridge magnet. Okay, money exchange, euros, money, exchange rate, counter. Okay, this is ratio. Okay, I'm gonna another vocabulary, ratio. So that is this one. That's called a ratio. Okay. Next, sandwich bar, cola, coffee, sandwich, shakes. Okay, remember the SH, shakes, and the S sound is important. So it's different. This one is sh. This one is s. Sh. S. Okay, so shakes. Okay. Next, train station. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. Battery, single ticket, return ticket, platform. Okay, now after reviewing, you can pause the video and replay and then try to practice more. Okay, so in your book there is actually some questions that you can practice. For example, very common question is, can I have a sandwich, please? Okay, so it's going, can I have a sandwich, please? Okay, so the last one, the last noun is going up. Example, can I have a coffee, please? Okay, can I have a coffee, please? All right, so what else? Can I have a cola, please? Okay, can I have a cola, please? Okay, so you can practice asking questions, alright? So that's it for today, and before I leave, I want to ask you some questions. Okay, question 1. What do you like to buy in a souvenir shop? Okay, what do you like to buy in a souvenir shop? And question 2 is, what is the exchange rate of Vietnamese dong to US dollars? Okay, what is the exchange rate of Vietnamese dong to US dollars? Okay, so you can actually answer $1 is to what Vietnamese dong? You can answer $1 is to how much? Okay, so that's it for today. You can comment in your answers below, or you can visit us here in Royal English if you want to tell us your answer, or you can just if you want to talk to us. Okay, so that's it. Again, my name is Mark, and see you next time. Bye bye.